Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this puzzle page. The puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, June the 1st, June the 2nd, 2024. And everyone is solved two puzzles in this puzzle page: the 4-star Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. So, two puzzles remain. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. Let me do the 4 stars binary puzzle. This one will be number 8640. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 24 printed digits. Alright, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 1s and 5 O's. Alright. So let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Double, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Alright, and now 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we need to think. Oh no, double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. The 5th O should be one of these 3 boxes, otherwise we have 3 ones here. So those 2 boxes will be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Number 1, here no, there no. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Alright. Alright. Now. Think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in the first column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, the 5th one, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. If I place the 5th one here, we still have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. This is the 5th O. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Well. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Yeah. I need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a fifth one there. Well, double one here. Can we compare? No, we cannot compare here. I need to think here. I need to think. Oh, 11. Well, this is totally different, this one. Totally different. How about 101 here? No. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4. I need a 1 there. 1, 2. 2, 3. We have 11 here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 ones here. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should we know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Now we have the 5th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. And double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Finished in 8 minutes. Well. I thought we need to compare, but we solve it again without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.